Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding duplicate rows and protecting data. Run group by with count to see which column combinations repeat, then take a full backup or export the table so you can recover if needed. Next, add a transient row number column with row number over partition by the duplicate key, S, ordered by a stable column. This assigns deterministic ranks. You do this so you can safely target non-primary rows for deletion. Once done, you're ready to remove extras. Now remove the extras while minimizing risk. Create a CTE that selects rows with row number and filters where RN1, then run delete from that CTE. This targets only duplicates. Make sure to wrap the operation in a transaction so you can roll back on errors and check at row count after execution. If the table is large, stage deletions with TOP, for example 10,000 rows per batch, to reduce locks and log growth. Make sure to verify results with select queries after each batch. Finish by restoring performance and integrity. Rebuild or reorganize indexes and update statistics so queries use optimal plans. This also clears fragmentation caused by deletions. If you removed duplicates to create a unique index, recreate that unique constraint to prevent recurrence. Verify row counts and application behavior. Run integrity checks like DBCC checktable. If something goes wrong, roll back the transaction or restore the table from your backup, and check the transaction log for what rows were removed to diagnose the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.